So in the workroom I have the two of the end modules placed in approximately the correct position, just as a proof of concept. I've got an old board and just checking the dimensions for the semicircle, and it was a good thing I did this because it turns out, as you can see here, I'm at least transposing from the design drawing at scale 1:15 up to full size. I think I made a not a calculation error, but a measuring error, and I need to bring the two modules about 7 centimeters closer together to make this semicircle radius work properly. So, as they always say, measure twice or measure 3 times before cutting or building. So this was well worth the effort of this jury-rigged setup so that I get the dimensions correct. Okay, I've adjusted the placing of the modules now correctly after having checked with the first mock-up. Modules are 9 centimeters further apart, which is fine, and now the track plan seems to line up reasonably well. I'm going over to that side. Okay, a little further along, the few pieces of track I ordered have arrived, and I purchased a board here, cut off the corners a little, and just checking that the design layout fits the actual measurements, and that seems to be okay. So, okay, the extension is now bolted in place on either side using the normalized holes from the M-track modules. See whether the 2 bolts is stable enough, otherwise I can always add another bolt maybe here if needed. But for the time being it seems to be fairly good. So looking up again, now it's all set in the right position. So I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with the leg there, and now I'm going to I've got the track nicely lined up, so going across really smoothly. Now I'm going to saw off a bunch of rails, the end points here, saw them off so that they can be then glued down in position. 4 of them, like that. They'll be glued down. I can check the crossing again, and then start adding the rest of the track, and that should complete this part. Okay.